Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at our new playlist, which is going to be about data structures and algorithms. So in this playlist, we're going to be doing different LeetCode problems, different HackerRank problems, also Codeforce problems. So we're going to be doing different interview questions. And this video is just going to be explaining how you can create the different accounts which we'll be using throughout this playlist. So the first website we're going to be using is going to be LeetCode. So open your browser and go to leetcode.com. And here you're going to create an account. I already have an account which is logged in, but for example, let me sign out and let me show you what page you'll see. So this is the page you're going to see when you go to leetcode.com. Here you're going to press on create account, and once you press on create account, you're going to be met with this page. So you're going to put in a username, password, an email address, and you're going to sign up. The next website we're going to be using is HackerRank. So we're going to search for HackerRank on Google, and we're going to press on the first link. Again, here you're going to press on sign up, and you're going to click on I'm here to practice and prepare. Then you're going to press on create account. Again, you're going to put in all your information, first and last name, email, password, and you're going to create an account. And the final website we're going to be using is Codeforces. So we're going to search for Codeforces on Google, and we're going to press on the first link. Here at the top right corner, you're going to see a button that says register. So we're going to click on that. It's going to ask you to put in a handle or simply a username, an email, a password. Then you can click on register and create your account. This is it for this video, and make sure you create all the 3 accounts because we're going to be using all 3 of them throughout this playlist to solve different problems. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily programming videos.